Property overview. This spacious 4 BHK flat combines modern elegance with functionality, ideal for families or individuals looking for luxurious living. The flat features sleek interiors, ample natural lighting, and high-quality finishes throughout. Living room. The entryway leads into an expansive living area designed for comfort and sophistication. Large windows provide abundant natural light, enhancing the room's warm ambience. The layout allows flexibility for arranging furniture, creating an inviting space for relaxation or entertaining guests. Kitchen. The kitchen is outfitted with premium countertops, ample storage, and modern cabinetry. High-end appliances and an ergonomic design make it practical for both everyday cooking and hosting. The space is well ventilated and seamlessly connects to the dining area, offering convenience and flow. Bedrooms. Each of the 4 bedrooms is spacious, with generous closet space and large windows for natural lighting. The master suite includes an attached bathroom with contemporary fixtures, while other bedrooms have easy access to well-equipped common bathrooms. Bathrooms. The bathrooms feature sleek, modern fittings and are designed with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. They have high-quality fixtures, ample counter space, and thoughtfully placed lighting. Additional features. The flat includes a balcony with scenic views, adding an element of tranquility. The layout emphasizes space and privacy, while the overall design reflects a blend of modern and comfortable living.